This is Rob Crawford, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when we're doing a server sim. And in this case, BreakingPoint using a single port will be playing the role of a single web server. And I'll be using one address for the web server in network neighborhood. Before we start then, let's go back and look at the test. And this is it. What we're going to have is this one test component and node clients, one server, and then we're going to take a quick look at the Superflow, but notice I'm just running one Superflow at a time, and all of this stuff can be scaled up. We can come up with a lot more different kinds of Superflows, but match content, both match contents are set to look for 100 characters, and that'll be the get commands coming in, and then I've got in this first 200 OK, I have an actual web page, and we'll see that when it shows up in Wireshark. And then here I have in my second 200 OK, I'm just sending text, and it's going to be some bits and pieces of Dracula. So let's go back here, and what we want to see now is running the test. And so I'm going to save and run. Now in the same ESXi as BreakingPoint, I have a Windows 10. And I'm going to bring it over here. Let's wait for the initialization to finish. And now I bring this guy up, and I'm going to use Chrome to connect to BreakingPoint's web page server sim. And I have to get the time right, but I'll go back here and click again. And here's my web page. Here's orc. And then I'll click again. And here's Dracula. And so this is exactly what that Superflow is doing. I'll click again, and I'll click again. So we're running through multiple iterations of the Superflow. Click again. And so this is a real web server on a Windows VM going out and talking to the BreakingPoint server sim. Obviously, like we've talked about, it's very specific. This is all it's going to do. It's not a real server, obviously. But it can look like one to somebody who's not trying to talk to the server. And real quick, because I almost forgot. Here's what it looks like if we look in good old Wireshark. There's my first get command. Here's my 200 OK. Here's my orc web page, and we'll slide down to the next. There's the next get command, and then here is the second 200 OK, and there's Dracula. So this is Rob. If you have any questions, let me know. Signing out.